Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to start the new tutorial series which is on Git and GitHub. So in this tutorial we are going to understand the basic commands of Git and how to use those like commit, push, merge, clone, checkout, cherry pick, and so many commands are available. So we'll go through each one of them, and we'll also try to understand how to set up the GitHub repository and how to use through the command prompt and or a PowerShell. So since Git is a very famous tool, so you might be aware of it. It's a version control or source control management tool used by so many organizations nowadays. So what exactly is version control if somebody is not aware for them? So version control is a system that records changes to its file or set of files over time so that you can recall specific version later. So don't get confused. Let me simplify it. So if an individual file is modified by one or more person or either by you also, then you want to maintain the history of that. Since it's a project, so when I did what and which changes I have done, if anything breaks in the future, then you should be able to go to that specific version which is a working copy of your file of your project. So that's the whole point of maintaining the version control or source control. And for example, if you see the same program CS file has three version, 1 2 3. One might be done by me, second might be done by some other guy, or third might be done by again me. So you don't know which version has the correct. Let's say in future, if something breaks in the version 2 file and you want to go to the version 1, so you should have a copy of that version file, so you can directly go to that file and everything works like previously. So this for maintaining everything like this setup, you should have some specific tools, which is version control management tools or source control management tools. And if you want to maintain the versioning in a traditional way, that also you can do by if you want to edit that file and save it as somewhere in the different directory. That's kind of traditional way of doing that, but it doesn't work out in when you're working in the big team like a 10 12 members or more than 100 members of team is working on the same project and they are making changes to the same file every day. So in that kind of scenarios you need some specialized tools which is quite helpful for that. So in order to understand, let's just go to the Visual Studio and let's say this file, currently this file is it's a new file and I have not done any changes, but as soon as I'll touch this file, it's become a different version of that, because my previous version had, let's say I'll add a different hello world GitHub demo. So when the file initially it was just saying hello world, and now I have added this line also, it says GitHub demo. So the file version has been changed, it has become some different version, but currently we have not configured any source control tool, so we are not going to see any changes here. So previous in the traditional approach, what we see, what we do exactly, let's say I have this file, and if I want to make some changes on it, what I'll do, I'll take a copy of it, keep it somewhere as a backup, saying that this is the original file, and I can make changes on the same file. Let's delete or do some kind of operation on that. Okay, so this is the previous version of your file and this is the latest version of your files, but this is not the correct or the way you can maintain your files versioning or taking a backup again and again, saving in a different directory. So you're kind of making your work hectic. So for that we use the version control tools. Okay, so and there are so many tools available in the market. When one of them is Git, and one is SBN. Git or GitHub is developed by Linus, the same guy who developed the Linux machine, not the machine, Linux source, Linux kernel, and the TFS owned by Microsoft, which is a paid version, paid software. And though it is free for the 5 users, you can just try it out. Big Bucket is one of them. I'm not much aware of it, but just I have taken it. So since I don't want to make these videos lengthy, so we'll break it down in a short videos. So that's it for today. I think in the next video we'll try to set up the environment for Git, and we'll just kick it start from there. Okay, that's it for now. Bye bye.